Hey guys, today I'm going to be unboxing another Colourpop collection. I'm so excited for this one. I saw them announce it and I think I saw it on Trend Mood or something like that. And I was like, oh my god, I was praying and hoping, and then it showed up at my work and I'm so excited about this collection. So this is the Frosty the Snowman and Colourpop collection. And it says, "'Tis the season to be freezing." So cute. So we get an eyeshadow palette, we get Super Shock Highlighter Duo, Jelly Much Eyeshadows, Luxe Lipstick and Lippy Pencil Duo. We also get a So Juicy Plumping Gloss Balm Trio, Lip Mask and Scrub Duo, and a Colour Changing Blending Sponge. I am so excited. Let's get into it. So yeah, once again, thank you Colourpop for sending this over. I'm so forever grateful and very excited. I don't want to get hate, but I've never seen this movie, so I think that I need to watch it because it looks very cute. Anyway, the first thing that we have is the Colour Changing Blending Sponge, and it's shaped like a snowman, which just, my heart can't take it, honestly. That is just like one of the cutest things ever. So yeah, that's how it looks there. Snowman shaped. It is so cute. In here we have two little lip duos. So this one is called Snow Much Fun. Oh guys, these are beautiful. So first we have the lipstick. How gorgeous is the packaging? And this is called Silly Snowman. It's embossed on the side. Oh, it's absolutely stunning. Looks like such a nice shade. Love that. And then we have the lip liner in Magic Hat. And that's how it looks there, and I will do a full collection review on this, so swatches and everything will come then. But that's the first little duo. So cute. Next we have Happy Jolly Fun. Once again, lipstick, stunning. We have a nude this time. It has the same little things like embossed in it. This one is called First Snow. It's this beautiful like brown. And our lip liner in the shade Over the Hills. Stunning! Next we have these. This is the So Juicy Plumping Gloss Balm Trio. I love the So Juicy Plumping Glosses. So Plumping Gloss Balm, right up my alley. So these are the three shades here. I am so excited to try these out. So top to bottom we have Frozen. And then we have All Melted. And then on the bottom we have Feeling Like Frosty. These look absolutely stunning. Cannot wait to try them. Next we have this, and how cute is the packaging? We have little Frosty coming out the side. You can see the products here. So cute. This is the Candy Cane Lip Mask and Scrub Duo. First we have Northbound Lip Mask. So cute. I just adore the packaging. I think it's so cute. Oh, it smells absolutely incredible. The lip mask itself has little like glitters and stuff through it. So cute. And then we have a Parade Lip Scrub. So cute. That's how... Oh, it smells so good. And once again, has little glitter through it. So cute. If anyone knows how to do a collection, it's Colourpop. Next we have this. This is the Snow Days little like duo. We've got two Jelly Much eyeshadows. So they've changed the packaging of Jelly Much eyeshadows. But anyway, so cute. So this is Freezin'. Adore. Absolutely stunning. And then we have Made of Snow. So beautiful. And that's what the outside of them looks like. They just look the same as the lip scrub and lip mask, except the jar is glass. So beautiful. Next we have two Super Shock highlighters. I'm so excited for this. That's the packaging. They are so cute. This is Winter Wonder and Icicle Spree. On to the main event. This is the Frosty the Snowman eyeshadow palette. Obsessed. I just think this packaging is so beautiful. This palette is right up my alley. Like, oh, these shades absolutely stunning. I adore them. I'm so excited to use this. That is everything in this collection, and I cannot even explain how excited I am for this collection. Like, I am so grateful to Colourpop for sending this over. Thank you so much, Colourpop. And yeah, I can't wait to review it. I think the packaging's beautiful. I think the whole vibe's beautiful. There's so many nice products. I'm so excited about this one. Let me know down below what you think. Let me know if you're planning on picking this up. Yeah, keep an eye out because I'll have a review coming very soon. But thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!